We're doing a high grade SD Kitbash. Okay, so we already chopped down this leg, shortened up the thigh. There's a gap, which we're gonna fill with putty a little bit later on. This was kind of just a test. I'm just winging it to see if this is gonna work. And it worked. We just have some differences in sizes. You can see there, like the size of the thigh at the bottom is smaller than it is at the top, so we just have to sand that down. But it was a success, so that's about how much we chopped off the middle of it. So let's do the same thing here. So perfectly chopped. Let's just sand up the edges here real quick. And it's gonna be perfect. Let's go ahead and glue that up real quick. I must say, this thigh ended up being a lot cleaner. Again, we're gonna have to sand everything down, and it's gonna maybe require a little bit of putty work in some areas, but that went together really well for winging it. So let's put the rest of the leg together like we did on this side, and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so there we go. They're the same length. And we just winged it. I didn't measure anything. I probably should have, but let's get the feet and waist put together. I haven't even built the kit yet. We're kind of just going, modifying as we go. So let's get the waist and the feet built. We'll put these on, and then we'll see how the proportions are gonna look. Okay, so that's what the proportions are gonna be looking like on the waist. So we'll have to get this cleaned up. Obviously there's a lot of seam lines, mud marks, things like that, but we're just going for the modifications in this part. So the next thing we gotta worry about is the torso. So basically the head has this that goes in like that. So obviously this is not made to fit here, so it doesn't fit. But what I think we can make work, because it's just barely too small. So I think we could just sand down these pegs, and let's see if that works. It doesn't look like that's quite enough. Well, we're close. almost wondering if we don't just wing it here. Let's see. Move this. And remove this. Getting close. I think we almost need to do that on this side as well. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, it's perfect. That's awesome. Okay, so let's backtrack a little bit here. We dropped it too low that time. Okay. And there we go. Opinion, that's looking pretty good. Now there's a lot of modifications and changes and cleanup that we're gonna have to do, but I think for as much as we've kind of just winged it, this is coming out pretty awesome. And I know Zeku Aurelius has already done this style of video with the GM head. We're going to try to do our own spin on it, but yeah, this is just kind of the introductory part showing off the modifications that we're going to do to the proportions, which we've pretty much knocked all of them out. I'm going to get the arms built and see if we're going to shorten those at all. I don't think we're going to, but if we do, I'll definitely film that process. But for now, I think this is looking pretty awesome. I'm going to get this cleaned up, all the parts put together, and then we'll get it primed for the next part. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking it out, and hope to see you in the next part. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to support the channel. Likes and comments go a very, very long way for helping us get more engagement, which boosts our videos to the algorithm. So just want to thank you guys again for all your support. We've grown quite a bit. I think like 20 subs or something since the last video, so that's amazing. And let's keep it going, let's keep it growing. So all right guys, see you in the next one.